There's a chick up in here right now that I know. She used to fall for all the games, but not no more. He thought she would do bad without him, but oh no, cause now she got her money right, and he broke. There's a chick up in here right now that I know. She solid, everything a real hitter looking for. She gotta hit her back if he gotta do it jokes. And you ain't gotta worry, she gon' move all of the yo. She don't rock with everybody though, so if she down with you, you ain't got a second guess. She be really about a million, and for a real hitter, she gon' really make it twerk. Get that get right in the morning for you. Get ready to take up in here.
That's the whole thing. Simple, short, and sweet. Okay, so first. Simple, short, and sweet. Okay, I'll keep that one. All right, so it's two parts. First part, right leg. You're gonna dig and coaster step, dig left and coaster step. Next up, you're gonna weave to your right first. You're gonna go right, left, right, left, right, left, right. Okay, we'll do it in letter and words. I'm sorry, feet and numbers. That's what we're gonna do. It's side to side. It's side to side. Exactly. He always gives me. Y'all, let me tell y'all something about Aaron. Aaron always scores big, and then he gets a whole bunch of 90s underneath. He get that big plus, and then he get a bunch of minuses, you know. So then that big plus got to get bigger on the next go round. So keep that in mind. Okay. But no, Angela, to answer your question, it's a side to side.
Thank you tomorrow.
No problem. All right. So what you're gonna do is right, left, right, left, right, left, right. Or numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so let's try that part. Jesus said, okay, so we're gonna start it from the top. So 5, 6, 7, and you dig right with a coaster step, dig left with a coaster step, weave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, now your next step, because you did the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, you're gonna fake left, fake right, half turn, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you do the whole step all over again. Okay, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, fake left, right, half turn, 2, 3, 4. And then you do the whole step again. So let's try part 1. Front and back walk. Okay, so 5, 6. Front wall first. Front and back. We're gonna do front and back to get back to the front. Okay, so 5, 6, 7, and you dig right with a coaster step. Dig left with a coaster step. Weave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Fake left, right, half turn, and dig. With a coaster step, dig left. With a coaster step, weave 1. Look at y'all, left, right, and half turn. Do it again. Dig with a coaster step. Y'all shouldn't have let me turn around and see. 2, 3, weave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Fake left and right. Half turn, dig. Coaster step and dig. With a coaster step, weave. 4, 5, 6, 7, fake left, right, half turn, 2, 3, 4. That's all of part 1. Now part 2 goes like this. Go side, right, left, forward, forward, right, left, right, left, right, left. That's the beginning of part 4. I mean 2. Again. Okay, let's try it again. Go right, left. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right, left. Everybody good? Yeah. Okay. The reason why I asked, because this is the part that gets everybody. You're gonna step, turn, kick, ball, chain. So it's right, left, 1, 2, 3, 4. Right, left, and step, turn, kick, ball, chain. Try it again. From the top of part 2. So right, left, forward. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right, left, step, turn, kick, ball, chain. You got it. I was watching. One more time? Okay. So 5, 6, 7, and right, left, forward. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right, left, step, turn, kick, ball, chain. All right. Yes, ma'am. Should end up together. Yeah. Hold on, let me make sure. Turn, kick, ball, check. Yeah. Your feet should end up together. Because the next step is kick, ball, chain. Step, tap, slide, back. Kick, ball, chain. Step up right, tap left, step back left, slide back right. Every step is going to be right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. But it's what you do with your feet with your right, left, right, left. So it's step, turn, kick, ball, chain. Step, tap left, slide back, right, tap, step up. Hold up. Tap, drag, that's right. Okay. That was me. I had a moment. So it's step, turn, kick, ball, chain, step, tap, slide, back, step, tap, slide, up. Yeah, slide up. Yep, so it's step, quarter turn, kick, ball, chain, step. Okay, try it again. Step, turn, kick, ball, chain, step right, tap left, and slide back. Step right, tap, step up. You're going to step up with your left, as Aaron say. You're going to step up with your left, but you're dragging your right. Or you're stepping with your left and sliding back with your right, whichever one. So it's step, turn, kick, ball, chain, step, tap, slide back, step, tap, slide up. Now, last part of the dance. You're gonna do it on your this wall. You're gonna do a quarter turn, and that ends the whole dance. It's out and cross, quarter turn, out and cross. So again, you just did the slide up and out and cross, quarter turn, out and cross. Try one more time, because I ain't see everybody doing it. Okay, so you did let's do the step turn. So step, turn, kick, ball, chain, step, tap, slide back, and step, tap, slide up, and out and cross, quarter turn, out and cross. You should never move your feet. You're doing like an out and cross, out and cross, out and cross. It's the same step, okay? You're just turning with it. So let's try all of part 2. Then we'll do 1 and 2, then we'll go into music. Okay, so all of part 2. Oh, little side note. You might see me going up and down on that walk up 4. It's up to you. But y'all don't catch up on your own fries. Just give you the basics. Okay, so part 2. So right, left, forward. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right, left, step, turn, kick, ball, chain, tap, slide back, step, tap, slide up, out and cross, turn, out and cross, and then start it over. Y'all want to try it with the music or go over it one more time? Music? Music, please. Oh, wait. No. All right, so you want to do part 1 and 2 together or just part 2? The whole thing? Okay. We got 1, 2, or 1? Okay, I got an all. We'll just do it all. Ain't gonna hurt nobody. All right. All right, so part 1, remember, is the dig. So 5, 6, 7, and dig with a coaster step. Dig left with a coaster step. Weave. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, fake left. Right, half turn, and dig with a coaster step, and with a coaster step. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, fake, half turn, part 2. Right, left, forward, 3, 4, right, left, step, turn, kick ball change, tap, slide, step, tap, drag, out and cross, turn, out and cross, and dig. It's a little bit faster, but I believe you can do it fast, you can do it slow. Either way. Okay, let's try it with the music. Main thing is that y'all feel the music. Ba-da-doo-doo-doo. Ba-doo. All right, 5, 6, 7, 8, dig. And 1, 2, 3, dig left. 1, 2, 3, weave. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Half turn, repeat. Dig. Dig left. Fake left, right. Part 2. Side, side. Forward, forward. Side, side. Step, turn, kick ball change. Step, tap, drag. Step, tap, slide. Out, cross, turn. Out, cross, dig. Dig. And weave. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Fake left and right. Half turn. Dig right. Dig left. And weave. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Fake left, right. Half turn. Part 2. Side, side. Forward, forward. Side, side. Step, turn, kick or change. Step, tap, slide. Step, tap, drag. Out, cross, turn. Out, cross, and dig. And weave. Fake. Half turn, dig. And dig. And weave. Fake. 2. This time you're gonna do this part twice. Step, tap, drag. Step, out, cross. Part 2 again. Side, side. Forward. Side, side. Step, turn. Keep on. Step, tap, drag. Step, tap, slide. Out, cross, turn. Part 1. Now you can no turn or a full turn at the end. That's it.